Okay, please excuse the crusty voice. I'm not too well. So we're going to look at a new topic on rates. So there's some notes to take down as we go along. So starting off with, rates are comparisons of things that are measured, but the measurements are different. So first of all, the word rates, okay, these aren't ratios to start with. Like, ratios are comparisons of things that are the same, but these things are different. So for instance, if you've got a car and you've got kilometers per hour, kilometers measures distance and hours measures time, and they're different things. So rates are comparisons of things that are different, like kilometers and hours. Okay, so copy that down to start with. Okay, so can you think of some other rates that you see every day? So just talk to your friend for about 30 seconds and just think if you can come up with any other rates. Pause the tape, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so on my next slide, I've got some other rates. So for instance, petrol price, $1.15 per litre. Meat price, $6.50 per kilogram. Your running speed, 6 metres per second. All of these things, dollars and litres are different. Dollars and kilograms are different. Meters and second, they're different. So anything you've got like a per, then you've got a rate. Okay, so copy those down and come across. So let's have a look at converting rates. So to actually use the rates, often we've got to solve problems. We've got to convert the rates. So for instance, that's the word buy. If I buy 45 litres of petrol and it costs me $68, 45 litres of petrol for $68, what's the rate of buying petrol? Okay, so that's an example. If you come across the next slide, we'll see how you work it out. Come across the next slide. So if I've got $68 for 45 litres, you could write two different rates. One rate is you put the dollars in front of the litres, or the second rate is you put the litres in front of the dollars. They're both rates, both using the numbers, but they're different things. So for instance, the first one is the price for 1 litre, and the second thing is the amount of petrol for $1. So when you see per litre, it's per 1 litre, or when you see litres per dollar, it's per $1. Okay? So they're both rates, and then we'll use those numbers in the next one, but copy that down and come across when you're ready. Okay, so let's look at what the conversions are. So we've got the original thing, $68 for 45 litres, and the first one I want to do is I want to put the dollars in front of the litres. So I put $68 in front of 45 litres, so I've got my dollars in front of my litres. Okay, now the litre has to be the number 1, so to convert 45 to the number 1, we divide by 45, but if you divide this side by 45, you have to divide that side by 45. Okay, so we're trying to get the number in the litres to be 1. It's 45, so if we divide by 45, it'll turn into 1, but what we do to the left, we have to do to the right, and then on your calculator, you end up with $1.51 per litre. In the second one, I want to put the litres in front of the dollars, so now we've got $1, so we put the litres in front of the dollars, and we have 45 litres for $68, so we've got to convert 68 to 1, so we divide by 68, but what you do to the right, you do to the left, so we put a 68 there, so you end up with 0.66 litres per dollar. Okay, both answers are right, and they're both called rates. Okay, so you have to look at the order, and then you put the numbers in the right order. Okay, coming across. Example 2, it costs $7.50 for 3 pens. Express this as a rate. Now the way the question's written is they've got the dollars as first, and they've got the pens as second, so the implication is you put dollars in front of pens. Okay, so there's my dollars, there's my pens, $7.50 for 3. To get rid of the 3, we divide by 3 on the right, so we divide by 3 on the left. So that means we've got $2.50 per pen, and we've got the rate. Okay, so just remember that whatever this number at the back is, you have to turn it into a 1, and you divide by the same number that's on the top. But what you do to the left, what you do to the right, you have to do to the left. So copy and come across. Okay, example 2. If I can run 400 meters in 70 seconds, convert this to a simple rate. Okay, so again, meters in the question is in front of seconds. So we're going to put meters in front of seconds. That's an implication. And to get rid of 70, we divide by right on 70. So you divide the left on 70. And then on your calculator, it's 5.7. And I've just done some rounding to 1 decimal place. Okay? So it's 5.7 meters per second. If you run 400 meters on an athletic track in 70 seconds, which is okay time, then you're running 5.7 meters per second. So copy that and come across. So there's going to be a worksheet on Moodle, and the worksheet covers all the topic, and what I just want you to do question 1 to start with, and that's all you have to do for this one. Thanks. See you for the next one.